Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Ma'am Jessa Kate. And this is Group 3. I am Isna Hamida, and I am the leader of Group 3. And we will be tackling about the simple and compound interest. Okay. Simple interest is when you first deposit money in a savings account. Your deposit is called the principal. The bank takes the money and invests it. In return, the bank pays you interest based on the interest rate. Simple interest is interest paid only on the principal. So, yung interest daw ay something that nag-aanak-anak. So, it's a reward for you keeping your money with the bank. So, the bank gives you the money for a reward that you keep your money with them, that you entrust your money with the bank. So, the bank will give you interests. Next slide is the basic formula of simple interest or how to find the interest. So, first, I is for interest, P is for principal, R is the interest rate per year. T is the time or term in years. Next slide. This is also a reminder. Time is always in terms of years. Okay? So if you're dealing with months, you have to make your months a fraction of a year. Example kung 6 months. So you have to divide 6 divided by 12. So that is 1/2. So you're gonna with the solution or with the principal, you have to times the principal with the 1/2. Okay, 0.50, 0.5. Now, figure interest in months. Okay, remember that T is equals time in years. So, find the interest earned in 3 months. Find the total of principal plus interest. What fraction of a year is 3 months? So, the fraction of the year in 3 months. So, if you're going to be able to divide the 3 divided by 12 is equals 1/4. In a decimal form of 1/4, to convert it into a decimal form, that is equals to 0.25. So interest is equals to the interest earned after 3 months. So you're going to multiply each principal multiplied by rate, the annual rate, and annual rate multiplied by the time or term. So 400 times 0.05 times 0.25 is equals 5. So you have 5 interest earned after 3 months. So 5 plus 4, 100. So interest plus the principal is equals the total amount in your account is 405. So it added 5 pesos. Example 1. So the example was, Hamida I borrowed 75,000 from my cousin who is in abroad. If Hamida agreed to pay a 4.3% annual interest rate, calculate the amount of interest she must pay if the loan period is 18 months. So here, we're trying to figure out kung ilang interest ang babayarin ko kung magbabaraw ako ng 75,000 after a year. After a year and a half. That's 18 months. So the given is principal is equals to 75,000. Rate is 4.3 or the decimal form is 0.043. And the term is 18 months or 1.5 year. Okay, solution is, this is the solution. So the formula, the given formula is I equals PRT. I PRT. So, 75,000 multiplied by 0.043 multiplied by 1.5, which is the year. So that is equals to 4,837.5 pesos. Therefore, Hamida or me must pay, magbabayad ako ng loan ng 75,000 with an interest na i-add sa 75,000, which is the 4,837.5 pesos.
To our classmates and especially to our math teacher, Ma'am Jess. So the example 2 is to buy the school supplies for the coming school year. You get a summer job at a resort. Suppose you save 4,200 of your salary. So dapat mag-save ka ng 4,200 pesos sa salary mo para i-deposit sa account mo sa bangko. So after 9 months, the balance is magiging 4,263 pesos. So what is the annual interest rate? So use the formula future value equals to the formula future value is equals to principal. Open parenthesis 1 plus rate time. Future value is equals to 4,263 pesos and the principal is 4,200 pesos. and the time is 3/4 a year. 4,263 equals to 4,200, open parentheses, open close parentheses, 1 plus rate 3/4. 4,263 is equals to 4,200 plus 3,150 rate. 63 divided by 3,150 rate. So the rate here is 0.02, and the annual interest rate is 2%.
Hi, my name is Delaris. If example 3, if 10,000 is invested at 4.5 simple interest, how long will it take to grow to 11,800? Find the term or time. Interest 11,800 minus 10,000 divide 10,000 0.45. Time equal 4. Therefore, it will take 4 years.
From your friend to buy a concept, take it for your favorite brand. You need to buy is 10,000. Your friend agreed to lend you 10,000 payable in 12 months and with an interest rate of 5% per annum. By how much is the total amount you need to pay your friend at the end of the 12 months period? Find the interest lower. Applying the formula. Interest equal principal rate time. Interest 10,000 pesos times 5% equal 12 months divided by 12 months. 500. This amount represents your interest expenses. Hence, the total amount to be paid to your friend after 12 months is 10,000 pesos plus 500 equals 10,500.
Suppose you have savings. Your friend approached that you and asked if you can lend him 10,000 pesos for his tuition fee payment. He said he is willing to pay 5% interest per annum. How much interest should your friend pay you after 6 months? How much is the total amount you should receive after 6 months? First, principal rate interest 10,000 times 5%, 6 years and 12 months. Interest 250 pesos. This amount represents your interest income. Total amount to be paid to your friend after 6 months is 10,250 pesos.
Good morning, Ma'am Jess. I am Anderson. From 11 ABNB. This is my double. Compound interest. Compound interest is when the bank pays interest on the principal in the interest already earned. The balance is the principal plus the interest. The balance becomes the principal minus the bank figures and expenses payable during the compound interest. This is the formula. P is equal to P times 1 plus R over N and that is into. Actually, look with our calculator pages. Remember this. 1 million is equal to 1 million. So we will have equal 2 periods. The 2 periods. 1 million equal to 4. So we equal to equal to 1 million equal to 3 equal to 24. This activities to do when the interest is compounded. So we already. Please remember, here is combine the interest with the number of interest periods, which is 2. 6% interest 2 interest periods is equal to 3% semi-annual interest rate. To find the number of total periods, multiply the number of years by the number of interest periods per year. Example, formula to get the amount the end of 1 year. 30,000 is to the 7.34% component alone. Using the formula A equal to B times 1 plus and that is 20. Okay. R is the weight equal to 4% air per weight kilowatt and multiply equals to 1. We have that A equal to times 1 plus 2 times 1. That is we can cancel it away. What they organize usually around class so example number 2. What amount must be invested in order to have 28,376.52 after 8 years? The economy is worth 6% compared with 7,000 to private principles knowing that the compound amount is equals to 128,376.52. Rate is equals 6% or 7.76. Number is equals to 2. And T is equals to 8 years. So the total value is equal to 8 times plus R over O over parentheses is 3T. Principal is equals to A over 1 plus 2 over N over parentheses plus 20. Principal is equal to 128,000. 376.52 over open parentheses plus 1.06 divided to open parentheses times 4 Principal is equals to 128,376.52 divided 1.02 open parentheses times 16. So principal is equals to 80,000.778 is equals to 80,000.77. Therefore, you must invest 80,000 in order to have 128,376.52 after 8 years. Good morning, class everyone, especially to our teacher. I am Walter and this is my topic. Example number 4. Find the majority value when the compounding years of 10,000 is compounded annually on interest rate of 2% in 5 years. Given principal is equals 10,000, rate equals 2%, or 0.02 times is 5 years. Third component is IC. IC equals F minus P, IC equals 11,021 minus 10,000. IC equals 1,040.81. Example number 5. Para magawa the value in the compound interest of 10,000 is compounded annually as an interest rate of 2% in 5 years. Given principals equals 10,000, rate equals 2% or 0.023 is 5 years. Find the value F. F equals P, open parenthesis 1 plus R plus parenthesis. F equals 10,000, open parenthesis 1 plus 0.02 plus parenthesis times 5. F is equals 11,014.81. Sample number 4. Principal 1 million over open parenthesis 1 plus 0.0041 plus parenthesis times 16. Principal 1 million over 1.00417 times 16. Principal equals 1 million over 8,884. Principal equals 779,185 solution. Therefore, total picture value of 1 million is 779,000. 100 into 2030. Sample number 4. You are planning to invest in high-wage mutual fund of bank F, which will give you 5% interest compounded monthly in 5 years. You target and the total future value of $1 how much should you invest in the same fund now applying the terminal present value while remaining over internal parentheses plus 1 plus 5% cover period times these parentheses after tax guard. That's all. Thank you.